So what are we seeing here? Well, we are seeing here the different index analysis as we are able to view it. That is for all India, that is for Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai. And for you can see here that for the first year, that is for the quarters 1, 2, 3, 4 for 2010, 2011, and then for 2012, 13, 14, 15, right up till 2022. So this is how your housing price index analysis will look like. Initially, it was quite low, and then it went on to increase, and it has increased quite steadily. So this is what we have as far as this chart is concerned. So again, this is what it's a line chart. So let's come here and save as. This is also a line chart, but it is on X and Y axis. This is a time series chart typically. Okay. So out here, time plot of all India, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai versus quarter. Okay, fine. So there are four, 1, 2, 3, 3 cities, and the fourth one is the price summation of all the remaining cities versus quarter. So that's the output file. I click OK, save it. So out there we can see we are saving this. It's not something that not getting it's not that we are blank as to where is it getting saved. So fine, this is another thing that we've sorted. I click on close this window. Again, that was our time series plot. Now, what additional plots can we draw here? So if you go on graph mode, suppose let's build a graph mode here. Okay, right click and I'll click connect. I'm connecting this Excel sheet with graph mode. Right click and edit. So out here, which type of visualization do you want? Okay, so I would like to select something like a scatter plot, suppose. Yeah, 3D scatter plot. Okay. So we need 3 axes will be required. The x-axis is what? That of Mumbai. The y-axis is that of all India. And the z-axis is that of quarter. The color is what? We are retaining the default colors and everything. Then I click apply and I click OK. Puts annotations. Yeah, okay. Fine. So I click OK. And now I'm going to run this graph mode. So I right click on that. I'll scroll down and I click on run. See, now that is how your scatter plot looks like. That is your quarter, that is your Mumbai, and that is your all India. So what we see here is now this is going on a high. This is on the upward trending. This is a lower side trending. So out here, if you come here, it's what? First quarter of 2011-2012. Mumbai's price is at 122.1 and the all India price is at 116, which can be seen that by at least 8 points, Mumbai's prices of the housing price index is higher than that of all India's prices. So that is one thing. But if you come here again, now this is on the higher side that we are seeing. That is for whichever quarter value that was. Yeah, that was first quarter 2011-2012. Let's come down over here and see. That's for quarter 2014-2015. Out here we can see Mumbai's price is at 194, and the all India prices are as high as 212, which means Mumbai has grown, but that apart, other cities have also contributed hugely to all India housing index calculation and numbers also. So fine, let us save this as. Now, we can say it's a graph board, but no. I'm writing a scatter board. Scatter plot. 3D scatter plot rather. Saving it that way. So you can see here. Wait. Yeah. So you can see here that out here also it has the same menus that were provided with whichever kind of plot we intend to draw. So I click on edit. If you want to add graph title, let's add graph title. So what's the graph title that we want to add? Quarterly analysis. Oops, what happened? Let's undo it. If you want to copy the graph data, that is also possible. You can also copy the graph. Also, you can copy it from here. You can paste it on your presentation slide. But if I have to click here on the graph title. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us avoid this. We'll come back on this a little later. So again, when you want to add any of when you want to view anything on general, so you can select this and view it in general. So what do you view here? Well, you can see the visualization tree, and you have the print, and you also have the copying of visualization and copy visualization. So these are the small additional features that are available over here. I click OK. So again, the outputs that you generated, they are evident and saved over here. The models, we have not used any models as such because that is not part of what we want to do today. Now, let us quickly move towards creating dashboard setting and understanding global visualization preferences. So we have work with around two types of charts. One of them is a scatter plot, and the other one is a line graph. We also took a look into the histograms of the given data set. So that part is also covered. And now let us work towards creating the dashboard. Right click, click on edit. Click and edit here also. But again, now this is all pertaining to the charts and graphs that we have. So for dashboard, let us do one thing. Let us save the stream. Save stream as what? Housing index. I'm saving this. Let us open a new file. So I'm open a new stream. So I'm clicking on this, create a new stream. And what I'll do is I'll also drag and drop the source over here. Right click and I'll click edit. So out here, let us identify which kind of the data we want to work on. Okay, we have this for the statue, so I'm selecting that. Lines for column and type. Make this 500. Let's preview it. Yes. So again, as usual, first 10 lines they'll show up, and actually first 10 columns they'll show up. First rows and the remaining columns they'll show up. I click OK. And apply, and I click OK. So your data set is now imported. Okay. And what do we intend to do? We intend to create a dashboard output. So I'll minimize this. I'll bring right click here and view data. Should not take too long though. Now we have the data set here already. Okay, and you can click on dashboard over here. When you click on view, you can click on dashboard here, and you can choose an object. What do you want to choose? You want to choose an image. I see, select image. Then please put a name. So I click on upload. And then what am I doing? I'm going on the live sessions, SPSS Modeler. This is what day 6. Click on all files and I'll select what? I'll select the time series plot. Open, I click apply. So Let's click on this, dragging left items onto the template. So I'll choose a saved chart. Now please create some chart in the chart model and add them to the dashboard. Okay, so I'm selecting image, upload, then I'm going for the live session, SPSS Modeler, 6, all files, 3D scatter plot. I click open. What is the name of the image is what? Scatter plot. Apply. Okay, where are the saved charts? Okay, it is why is it not showing up in the chart? Okay, let us do one thing. I'm coming back to chart here. I'm creating a scatter plot. We'll be having what perimeter as the x-axis and the y-axis will take roundness and fine. So this chart we have created. Okay. What is a fit line? Let us have a linear fit line. So this is also drawing a linear fit line that we call it. We'll also have had an exponential fit line. So it will look like this. And then what about logarithmic? Yeah, it changes. So whichever type of fit line you select, it will change. I select polynomial, so this also changes. But for our ease, for now, I'm selecting only linear. Okay, so that is the scatter plot you have. And now what next? Start over, display the data value in chart, download chart details, download chart image, save as a dashboard chart. You can see here. Okay, and then you have the global visualization preferences. Fine. So before we can save this as a dashboard chart, save chart snapshot. You can switch to dashboard module to build your chart. Okay, close. So fine, we have already selected and saved it as a dashboard chart. Now let us go on the global visualization preferences. So I click on this, and then it is asking me the title, the tool, the theme, the notification. So these are some of the preferences it is asking us to opt for. If you want, you can select for opt for global title. If you don't understand what is global title, enable or disable the global title for all charts. So let's select it. And here enter a top level title for all charts. Enter secondary level title for all charts. You can also select on default site titles. So anyway, I'm deselecting this global titles. I'm selecting apply. After this is done, yes. So the statue model we have. Oh, where did we mess that out? Yeah, that was on the graph board. Click, we select view data. Yes, view data also. That's view data. And we select the dashboard. So we already selected a dashboard chart, I guess. Choose an object, image, upload. Live session, we have saved it. 6. Select all files. Okay, we have not selected or saved it. Fine, let's go back to the chart. I'll quickly select a scatter plot. For y-axis is what? Eccentricity. For x-axis, it's compactness. We're having a linear line of fit. Primary title, what is the live title of the chart? Scatter plot. Compactness versus centricity. I select on, save as a dashboard. So you can build your dashboard. Okay, close this. Let's come back here on dashboard. Yeah, now you can see here that of course in the previous chart we had not saved. So now this we have. Okay, this chart we have already selected. So you can drag it and put it over here. You can import a dashboard file. So let's click on this. Load. we have it as a live session file. Let's click on that and see if it's saved here. No, we do not have any JSON, although we have many other files. It's a string file, it's a PBD file, it's an output file. So let's select an output file. Let's click open and I click apply. Should it open? Yes. So, okay, fine. Depending upon which kind of file you intend to work or select upon, you will be able to drag and drop these files here, or here also you should be able to drop it. Yes. Why did it not show up over here? Okay. Right. So out here it was supposed to show it. I'll click on this button here on the small icon, link selected chart. So I'm selecting this. We are linking this selected chart. Okay. And fine. So with this chart, what more can you do? Okay. So we did create a dashboard and we're now setting understanding global visualization preferences. So if you want, you can what? You can save as an image. You can also select the data. You can clear the selection. You can restore. You can zoom back. You can zoom in, zoom out, zoom back. There is not much you can zoom in or zoom out. But then, like I said, this is one such data that one such chart that you created for creating a dashboard. You can also create many such charts. And click on chart. You can select maybe a multi-series line chart. So you can switch to charts, and you might lose this chart details. You might have to provide more. I click continue, and then we had eccentricity on the x-axis. On the y-axis, what can we select? Let us select major axis. Suppose if you take a major axis over here, then it's sorry, the multi-series. Let us take a line series graph. Click continue. So fine, this is a line series graph that got generated for compactness versus eccentricity. Okay, and then again, what am I doing is I'm saving it as a dashboard chart. So I click on this button here. You can also download the chart image if you want. Now, of course, don't be worried about the overall how the image looks like here, but because the points are spread over a very big area. Like it's around 1300 to around 17 or 1800 rows are there. So there will be a high and a low on this. So that is how we have drawn this chart though.